Hello and thank you for joining the VMware vSphere 6.x data center design. My name is Asif Maroof and I'm the instructor for this course. Today we'll be looking at the maxims guide that is issued with each new version of vSphere. The virtual machine maxims guide is available with each new version of vSphere and provides an indication and a higher level of functionality and capability available with that particular version. It also provides limits to virtual machine resources including memory, CPU and storage. The limits provided in the guide are tested, are recommended limits, and VMware will fully support them. In addition, the virtual machine hardware has to be upgraded to match that capability. Let's have a look at the compute and storage and how they have improved or enhanced as opposed to the previous version. 128 virtual CPUs per virtual machine are now supported. If you compare this with the previous version, it's nearly double. So with each new version, as an example, we're showing the capability for 6.5. Each new version brings additional and enhanced capability for that role, and it makes sense because applications are getting more powerful and faster, and they need underlying hardware to support them. You can now configure a virtual machine with 6 terabytes of memory per virtual machine, which results in a 6 terabyte virtual machine swap file size, up to 4 virtual SCSI adapters, 15 virtual SCSI targets per virtual SCSI adapter, and 62 terabytes virtual disk size. And we look at the network and device space. You can connect up to 10 virtual NICs per virtual machine, resulting in a capability to connect up to 10 networks, 20 USB devices, 3 parallel ports, 32 serial ports per virtual machine, and up to 40 concurrent remote console connections. Looking at that same information in a graphical manner, we see the same information up to 10 NICs. That means the virtual machine can connect up to 10 different networks, up to 6 terabytes of RAM, up to 128 virtual CPUs, up to 4 SCSI adapters, 15 devices per adapter, for a total connectivity of 60 devices. Looking at the virtual machine maximums guide allows us to get an understanding of the capability and the enhancements that are available with each version. A quick summary of this video: always reference the maxims guide for each version of vSphere that you are deploying to understand its capability. Understand the maximum capability for virtual machine resources including CPU, memory, storage and network. And in addition, the virtual machine hardware should be upgraded to match that version and provide that capability. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for further videos in this series. Thank you very much.